Here given a boy thrown a ball into air at an angle of 45 degree initial angle of projection given, the horizontal, and to land it on a roof of a building of height is h. So it lands on a roof whose height, the building height is h. If the ball attains a maximum height in 2 seconds, so this information is important. If it achieves maximum height in 2 seconds, then time of flight will be what? Time of flight will be 4 seconds here. So, and it lands on the ground, it lands on the building in 3 seconds after the launch. So then the value of h is, so it lands on that building 3 seconds after. So if you see the particular diagram here, this is the initial angle of projection at 45 degree being projected. Now this is the maximum height, h max point. So to reach the h max, it takes 2 seconds of time. So total time of flight I can get here as 4 seconds. So now if we apply the time of flight formula, Ts equals to 4 second time of flight, 2u y by g, because you all know that time of flight is given by 2u sine theta upon g. So u sine theta is what? U sine theta is the initial velocity along y direction. So in place of that, in place of ui, we have written 2 into ui upon g. So substituting the values of time and g here, we got the value of initial velocity along y direction, along vertical, as 20 meter per second. So further we have to find out what is the height of this building. This building is there, this building's height we have to calculate. So simple, here we can apply the equations of motion. S equals to ut plus half at square we can apply here. So using this S equal to ut plus half at square, now I am going to apply only along vertical direction, only along like vertical along y direction. So we have written everything along y direction, displacement along y, initial velocity along y, acceleration also along y. So substitute the values here. H we have to find out. In place of displacement along y, we can substitute h, and y equal to uy equals to 20 into time equals to 3. Then further half into here, g will be minus 10 because g is acting in downward direction. Always g acts downward direction. Initial velocity is in upward direction. So minus 10. So further solving this, we are getting the height as 15 meter.